Looking for the fuse box in your Ford Ranger 1998 to 2003? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse panel in 1998 to 1999 Ford Ranger models distributes and protects power for interior features such as lighting, the radio, and power windows. The passenger compartment fuse panel in the 2000 Ford Ranger distributes and protects power for interior systems, including lighting, radio functions, and power accessories. The passenger compartment fuse panel in 2001 to 2003 Ford Ranger models distributes and protects power for interior systems, including lighting, radio, wipers, and power windows. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in 1998 to 2000 Ford Ranger models distributes and protects power for engine-related systems such as the ignition, fuel pump, and cooling fans. The engine compartment fuse box for the 2.3-liter engine in 2001 to 2003 Ford Ranger models distributes and protects power to engine and powertrain circuits, including ignition, fuel system, and cooling fans. The engine compartment fuse box for 3L and 4L engines in 2001 to 2003 Ford Ranger models distributes and protects circuits for the engine, powertrain, emissions, and cooling systems. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.